Oh, it's like melting in my mouth. It tastes like white chocolate. It has a texture of white chocolate, but it looks like a strawberry. That's so cool. What's up everyone? Welcome to Nippon Traveler at Home. You may not be going outside because of the coronavirus at the moment, and we're not shooting outside either. So stay with me and we'll dip into some Japanese culture from my home right to yours. In today's episode, we've got our hands on something which you can also enjoy at home. This is
Bokksu,
a monthly subscription service of Japanese snacks, candy, and it comes in, well, comes in a box. So if you're interested in getting a box, then you can click on the link below and that'll take you to their website. Boxes run from something like $25 to about $40, but they also do have an online store where you can buy different bits and pieces as well. So all the links are in the description, check those out. Okay, let's open her up. Wow, there's so much inside, packed full, absolutely packed full. So this is the Seasons of Japan box. So first of all, let's start with the spring items. The first one on our list is Super Mucho Plum. Okay, plum flavor. Let's oh yeah, yep, that's definitely plum. Oh, yep, sour. Yeah, for someone who doesn't like plum, they're pretty good. Okay, the next thing in the spring collection is the Dango Mochi. Check that out. Little rice cake balls. These ones are covered in sugar. Let's give that a taste. That's very soft and chewy. Is that apple flavor? I think that green one was apple flavor. Okay, next from the spring collection is the Totori pear fromage biscuits. Oh, and I just got another packet of mochi dango as well. And yeah, so 2 pear fromage biscuits. Pear fromage biscuit from Totori. If you've seen any of the pictures of Totori, there's big sand dunes. It's like a desert. Cheese and white chocolate, very rich and very creamy. Just sniff it. It smells really nice. White chocolate, cheese, pear. So the last thing on the spring collection, a product that is manufactured by Bokksu itself. I think it's a strawberry covered in chocolate. You open it up, and what have we got inside? It's a freeze-dried strawberry. And looking at the book, it says that this thing is infused with white chocolate. Yeah, it smells like white chocolate as well. Oh wow, it has the texture. It has the texture of chocolate as well, but it's a freeze-dried strawberry. Wow, fushigi. It's really strange. It tastes like white chocolate. It has a texture of white chocolate, but it looks like a strawberry. That's so cool. And I'm so glad I got more than one. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, now let's dip into the summer range. First, we've got the Mara Agesen fried rice cracker, and it says this is from Kanagawa Prefecture. And this looks a little like it might be a little spicy. And looking at the book, it says, yeah, mouth-tingling flavor. So rip that open. Let's have a try. Looks like it's got fireworks on the front, so another indication it's going to be a little pow. Doesn't that look good? Definitely has a little kick. It's not mouth-breathing fire spicy, but definitely has a kick. Little tingling on the tongue. Okay, what we're gonna have next from the summer range is Dondonyaki Senbei from Ibaraki Prefecture. It's a little festival, little matsuri scene going on there. And these are sauce flavor, tonkatsu sauce. Check it out. Here's the little bite-sized senbei. Tonkatsu sauce. A little tangy, peppery. Do you know what? I'm gonna go back to the to the strawberry again. Just have a little more nibble on that. Okay, next for the summer products, we're gonna have the handmade yuzu sake candy, and that's another Bokksu original product, yuzu sake candy. Now, yuzu is a citrus fruit. Sucking. 0.1% alcohol. Okay, I have to take a lot of these to get a nice buzz. So the last item for the summer range is seaweed tempura from Seto Uchi. Seto Uchi is a collection of small islands in the Hiroshima prefecture, and it says this is a sudachi citrus flavor. So each box, each package that you open up, give it a smell first. Tempura seaweed, just a thin piece of seaweed and tempura. Citrusy. Do you know what? Yep, let's go back again. A little bit more strawberry. I still don't believe it. Now let's get into the autumn stuff. What we got first? Aomori apple caramel. It's, oh, it feels very nice and soft. Okay, this is from up very northern part of Japan. Soft biscuits are the best. After the crunchiness from all the rice crackers, it's really nice to have something nice and soft. Oh, this is one of my favorites so far. This is nice. Okay, next then for autumn, matcha chocolate stick cake from Osaka. Green tea. That's green tea. Check that out, guys. Green. There's chocolate chips in this one as well. Chocolate chips and matcha green tea. All right, the next one we're gonna have is from Kumamoto. And as soon as I know it's from Kumamoto, I know on the front there's gonna be Kumamon. This guy is the mascot, the character of Kumamoto. Okay, Kumamon, what have we got here from you? A black sesame seed senbei. And it says in the book, it's a full day's worth of sesame. So black and then mixed up with this, the roasted almonds and sugar syrup. If you're a fan of nuts, I think you would like this one. And we got one last thing for autumn, mini shiruko sando red bean crackers. Shiruko, like the red bean soup. Look at it, little biscuits. Little biscuits. The packaging in Japanese says tabeyashii hitokuchi size. So it's very easy to eat. It's a one bite, one mouthful size. Yeah, I'm getting pretty full now, but we still have winter to go through. So I need a little break before I eat through the winter section. And yep, I got some tea in this box as well. And this is Bokksu original tea as well. Sorry, Bokksu. Got my my tea here now. And it's part of the winter collection in the Bokksu. And yeah, this would be really nice in winter. A little bit of a nutty taste. Let's continue eating then. Next is Jaga Pokuru. Little potato snack. I smell potatoes and a hint of butter. Sense of Hokkaido on a cold morning. Looks like a French fry, doesn't it? It's like someone's taken like an actual French fry and turned it into a potato snack. Next, Gutama Golden Pack. So this is tamago kake gohan flavor, and tamago kake gohan is egg on top of rice with a little bit of soy sauce. I don't know what tamago kake gohan tastes like because I don't eat eggs, as I said in another episode before. So does it taste like tamago kake gohan? Shiranai, I don't know. We got one item left, funwari meiji mochi puffs with kinako. So these are from Niigata prefecture, and it says in this in the book, in the guide here, they are wildly addicting. These are funwari or fuwa-fuwa. Fuwa-fuwa is an adjective to describe something that's light and airy, like a cloud. So even though they're rice balls, like a rice cracker, they should be soft and fluffy. Oh, it's like melting in my mouth. I just popped it on the end of my tongue, pressed it against the top of my mouth, and it just melted. Oh, that's cool. That flavor's gonna go nice with some tea. Oh, that is a nice combination. This soft melt in your mouth cracker with some tea. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so that is me finished. I have eaten a lot. 16 different kinds of food or one kind of drink. 21 pieces in total. My award for the best one has to be these Funwari melt in your mouth balls, and then also the freeze-dried strawberry. So that's all from me for today. If you like Bokksu, check it out, get one for yourself. If you like our videos, we've got many more. Check out all the other videos. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, see you next time. Cheerio, sayonara, bye bye.